What's up guys, it's Tutor right here, and today we will show you how to disassemble a Canon G2000 printer. The principle in disassembling this printer is similar with other Canon G Series printers. Watch this video closely till the end to be an expert in disassembling this type of printer. As always, we need to prepare the tools we need for disassembling this printer. Let's start by removing the back cover by unscrewing it as shown in this video. Next, remove the right-hand side cover of the printer as shown in this video. We need to prick the snap locks using a flat screwdriver as shown here. Slightly push this side cover downward when removing because it might be difficult sometimes. Now, let's remove the right-hand side cover by applying the same principle in removing the left-hand side cover. Let's remove this white plastic guide here, and please be mindful of this little spring. Now, let's prick the black ink tank lock up here using a flathead screwdriver to remove it. At this point, let's remove the colored ink tank's lock using the same principle. Now, let's remove the ink tank's airlock extensions as shown in the video. At this point, let's remove the ink tank's front side cover as shown in the video. Take note of the direction on how these covers are pricked. Now, let's disconnect the cover sensor switch from the main board. Let's remove the top cover lever as shown in the video. At this point, we can disconnect the scanner unit's flex cables from the mainboard. Now, we can remove the scanner unit as shown in the video. We need to unscrew this top upper cover to remove it as shown in the video. Take note that the ink tank caps are connected to it, so we need to disconnect them before lifting the upper cover. We should take note that we need to unlock these two snap locks, one on each side, before we can remove this upper cover completely. Now, we have disassembled your Canon G2000 printer. To reassemble this printer, we need to do the process in reverse as shown in this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It's yours truly, Jude Turco.